Hi YouTube, Grace Repairs here. I'm going to go over some more powder coating that we've done. Alright, so in my last video we were discussing my powder coating oven and a powder coat gun that I got for free from a friend of mine. Alright, this is an Eastwood hot coat powder coating gun, and it is definitely perfect for small parts. And I also tried a few other parts besides the sample I did last week, but I'm going to show you. Alright, definitely learned that one problem with this powder coating system is that parts that are flat, it doesn't like to do very well, and you have to spend some extra time with it. Now this is just an extra piece I took out of the powder coating oven that came with the smoker. And as you can see, trying to spray this way across it flat, I didn't get full coverage over here. Alright, so last week I did the ultra black chrome, this piece. Alright, I'm going to try and do a clear coat with it. Now, I just did this Illusion Cherry part right here, and you could take a look at it. It didn't come out too bad. It's got a nice color. So this is the color and a gloss over it. So what I did is, when I got it from Prismatic Powders, I didn't realize that it was a two-part system. The nice thing about their website is you could go to each individual color and it gives you a tech sheet. It tells you everything you need to know about the color. So this specific color, I bought the color, I put it on, and it looked nothing like the sample color that they sent to me in their little swash, whatever. So I went back to the tech sheet, read that this is a two-part color system. You need the color, and then you need a clear coat over it to get this color. So what you do is you put the base coat on 10 minutes at 400 degrees, and then there's the clear coat. So the clear coat only needs 350 degrees, and it's baked at approximately 18 minutes. Alright, that's all I wanted to do today. I also did, one more part. I did small little parts, so just to try out, I did these little insignias. I did them gloss black over silver, so they came out pretty well. So that's it for this week's video. Stay tuned for more videos. Please remember to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you get notified when a new video comes out. Give us a thumbs up. Again, thank you.